One of the most asked questions by new lifters is, how do I tell if I have good genetics? Well, before you put on some muscle, it's extremely hard to tell whether you have good or bad genetics. But there's a few ways you can tell. One is if you have a wide or a narrow waist. It's pretty easy to tell if you have a wide or narrow waist even before you start lifting. Having a narrow waist makes it very easy for you to build an aesthetic V-taper. Next is bone structure. If you have bigger bones, you're gonna be able to put on more muscle because bigger bones mean more muscle. But someone with a bigger bone structure will have a harder time putting on muscle than someone with a smaller bone structure. Therefore, the person with the smaller bone structure will look bigger faster than the person with the bigger bone structure. And the next one, and probably one of the biggest ones, which you won't really be able to tell until you put on some muscle, is where do your muscles actually insert? For example, do you have a gap in between your chest, or do you have crooked abs, or high lat insertions, or a big bicep peak? Those all play a key role in the building an aesthetic physique.